Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. And hey, I'm on my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. And what we do is look at the best apartments in Dallas. We're always looking at new ones, and we're at the Alta Riverside today looking at a new one. So this is part two. We're going to go into the bedroom and bath. Let's do that right now. This is their two-bedroom model, and this is the one of the bedrooms. Really pretty. This is kind of a, looks like a, maybe a queen bed. Can't tell. Maybe even a double. But this is a big area. It's got a desk area. That's pretty cool. And then it does have a lot of lighting. So a lot of lighting here. This has a massive patio. This is first floor. So that's really nice. And this is what it looks like in here. Probably, I don't know, 9 feet ceilings in here. It looks like kind of 10 feet in there. And then now let's look over here into the bathroom itself. The bathroom's pretty cool. It looks good. It's got really cool flooring. This flooring is really nice all throughout, by the way, in the kitchen and through the bathrooms. This is very nice. So it looks great in here. And then this is what it looks like inside here too. So really, really nice in here. There's a linen cabinet in there. And here's the, really super nice, super tall all the way to the ceiling backsplash here in the tub shower area. And then here is the closet itself. So the closet, it's got some good shelves in there. And looks pretty cool. Love the feel here. Let's go to the other side. By the way, ooh, nice kitchen, nice island. Let's go to the other side here. This is really nice too. This looks great. We've got a beautiful window here. It's a lot of light. We got, I think this is a king bed. This is a nice size king bed. So you can see there's plenty of room here. I think the room is pretty much the same size. Looks like, yeah, pretty much, but really, really close to the other one. And then this is the bathroom. Now, this is dual sink, so I'm going to call this the master bath. It's very nice, and yeah, it definitely is. This has a walk-in shower and really pretty feel in here. And then feels a little more luxurious also in the closet. So maybe a tad more space. So it's really pretty in here. Love the feel. Hey, this would be a great layout for yourself. If you want to have guests over, they could use that. Or if you want to do roommates, it'd be a pretty good floor plan for that too. It's very, very attractive. Hey, if you want to see and go maybe on a virtual tour or a Zoom tour, let's set that up right away. You can send me a text. It's always free and it costs nothing to work with me. In fact, it's actually the best thing you could do because you'll get the best deal, get a lot of personalized attention, and you'll remove the stress and get to your perfect Dallas apartment a lot quicker with our service. Send me a text and number below. I look forward to hearing from you.